welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a back-to-school cake, because today is actually the first day of school in where I live, and I wanted to make a cake to celebrate that for my kids, so let's get started.
Since it's just for us, this is a 5-inch cake. This was a leftover cake that I had in the freezer from another project. This is a red velvet cake without food coloring and vanilla American buttercream. I crumb coated the cake and chilled it in the fridge for about 20 minutes to let the buttercream set up. Then I frosted it again and cleaned up the cake board. My 11-year-old Sabrina wanted to try her hand, so I let her start rolling out the fondant. Eventually, I took over to get it as thin as we need. And we covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother in my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I rolled out some black fondant and cut out the words "Back to School" and placed it on the cake board. Then I cut out an apple and placed it on the side of the cake, and added a leaf. Sabrina also told me which elements she wanted on the cake. Then I made a pencil out of yellow fondant with a tip of skin color and a tiny tip of black. And I placed it on top of the cake. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut it into a rectangle and placed it on the side of the cake. I used some black food coloring to paint on the markings on a ruler. Then I made the paint palette with skin color and placed it on top of the cake. But what's a paint palette without paint splatters? So I made paint splatters out of red, yellow, blue, and green. Now we need a paintbrush. I rolled out some black, bristles with skin color, a band of yellow around the center, and a blob of red on the bristles, and I placed it on the cake. Then I cut out ABC out of primary colors and placed them on the side of the cake. I love how this cake turned out. It's so cute and perfect for the first day of school. My kids ate the whole thing. Congratulations on the first day of 2nd and 5th grade, Natalie and Sabrina. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.